Hey friends, if you are unable to shut down your device, like you're pressing the power button or you're trying to shut it down from here but nothing is happening, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the process. So press the power button continuously for 10 to 15 seconds. This will hard shut down the system, and if anything is not saved, that will definitely not be saved. It's like forcing your system to shut down. Let's say for example you were using a desktop, you pulled out the power cord. This is what is happening with your laptop. Now the reason that I am suggesting this is because these days laptops come with an inbuilt battery. You can remove the charger, but you cannot remove the battery immediately. So this is how you can force shut down your laptop. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.